Experiencing lag or freezing on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? It's often due to RAM overload or software inefficiencies, especially with demanding apps or iOS 19 features. First, force quit unused apps. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and enable Offload Unused Apps to automatically free up space. A quick force restart, hold side button plus volume button, then slide to power off, can also resolve immediate freezes. For long-term performance optimization on your iPhone 17, start by selectively managing background app refresh to reduce unnecessary activity that drains resources. If performance issues persist despite these adjustments, consider a factory reset after backing up your data to restore the device to its original state. iPhone 17 Pro Max users benefit from increased RAM for better multitasking, but still manage open apps carefully to avoid overload. Always keep your iOS updated, as Apple frequently releases optimizations that improve performance and fix known issues. If problems continue after these steps, contact Apple support, as it may indicate a hardware issue requiring professional assistance.